Welcome to springlib.
So since the two sources are 180 degrees out of phase, destructive interference will occur when the path length difference between the two sources and the receiver is 0 or an integer number of wavelengths. So since the antenna are separated by a distance of d equals wavelength divided by 2, the path length difference can never be greater than wavelength divided by 2. So the only points of destructive interference occurs when the receiver is equidistant from each antenna, and that is at theta destructive is equal to 0 degrees and 180 degrees. And again, since the separation distance between the two antennas is d equals wavelength divided by 2, the maximum path length difference is wavelength divided by 2, which occurs along the line through the antenna. Therefore, the constructive interference only occurs at theta constructive equals 90 degrees and 270 degrees. There you go.